So now let's see how the purchase side of this application is completed. Right. So this is the purchase dashboard, which shows the overall KPI about your purchase. It shows the inventory valuation as well, how many products you are already having, what are their values. Then it shows the standard things about purchase orders, their actionables about the purchase order, actionable about the bills. If there are any low stock count products you are having in the inventory, it will show all of them really, right? But to properly get started with the inventory, you can see all of your product in the all inventories report. Here you can see the product name, the SKU, the price, and the quantity which you are having available in your inventory. To onboard a new product, just click on a new button, provide the detail about the product, SKU, and when you provide the SKU, it will automatically generate the QR code on submit. Just provide the rate and tax and you are good to go actually. You can also mention what is the minimum reorder quantity, based on which it will consider the quantity as low stock quantity if it falls under the minimum reorder quantity amount actually. Right. So once you have added a product, to buy more product from your vendor, you can just create or to increase the inventory for a product, you can start with issuing a purchase order actually. So let's do a pen holder. We are having the DIY pen holder we are having. It shows the current inventory. Pen holder is having 94 inventory we are already having. Let's order 40 more quantity, and we'll order it from one of our vendor, DIY vendor. If you want, you can create new vendor directly from here. Choose the DIY vendor, and I think we are good to go from here. Here you can apply the standard discount if we are getting, or keep it blank, and also you can also provide the shipping cost which the vendor has estimated actually. Once you're done with that, you can submit, and actually it will eventually start showing up in your dashboard. So on your dashboard, it is showing that you have just created the purchase order, but you have not sent that particular purchase order yet, so or marked it as issued. So it is telling you that one purchase order is there to be issued. It is pending to be issued actually. So if you click on the pending to issue purchase order, it shows that particular purchase order. If you click on detail, here you can totally see the detail of that particular purchase order, and you have ordered 40 quantity, you have not received and billed anything yet. So first thing you can do is you can either send the PO, or you can mark it as issued directly from here. If you send, it will send that particular purchase order to the specific vendor, or you can directly mark it as issue here. Once you have marked it as issue, then you'll have the option to receive it or generate a bill against it actually, and you will be able to see that directly here, that now it is not showing to issue, it has shifted it to be received actually. So you can go there and create a receipt for that, and once you receive it, it will generate it will register a stock entry of type N, and here you can see that this was quantity ordered, you have not received anything yet, and how much you want to receive here. Once you received, it will actually update the status of that respective purchase order, as well as in your dashboard. Now it has actually shifted it from to receive to bill actually. And here you can see that you have already received 40 quantity of that particular purchase order, and here you can directly convert this purchase order into a bill, provide the date, and provide the rest of the detail directly from here. And here in the actual bill, you can provide the actual discount the vendor provided, any shipping charges you received from there, alright, and you can directly log the payment right away from here as well, or you can log the payment later as well. Right? So once you submit, it will mark it as billed, and then it will mark this particular purchase order as fulfilled or closed actually. So here if you go once again to the purchase dashboard, here you will be able to see the total open bills, and there are 3 bills which are open, which are not paid yet. If you go to all the bills, you'll be able to see that this was the last bill which was created against the last purchase order, and you can directly accept the payment directly from here, or you can directly go to that open to the respective purchase order detail page as well and receive the payment directly from there as well actually. And you can provide the detail about the mode of the payment, and once that is done, then actually it will be marked as closed, that the bill is totally fulfilled and totally paid. And in your dashboard you'll be able to say that the total unpaid bills or bills to paid went from 3 to 2 actually. The last bill has been paid. So likewise, you can complete the purchase cycle, and if you'll see in our products, if we'll try to search our DIY pan holder directly from here as well, that now its quantity has been increased from 94 to 34, and you can see the KPIs as well actually, that this much you have purchased overall, this much you have sold overall, and this is how the product is performing over the month. So this is how the purchase cycle is closed in this particular dashboard. And at any particular point, if you feel that the inventory which you are having is not matching and you need to adjust the inventory, you can always go to stock entry and create an adjustment there. And there if you see that the DIY pan holder which we are having is not actually 134, but it is actually 130 in our database, so it will create an adjustment of -4 when you submit. And now if you go to the purchase order, the products, go to your DIY product, and you will be able to see the latest quantity which you have. Right? So all the stock entry, you will be able to see the ledger here, the receives, the sales, the adjustments, and everything you can control directly from your purchase dashboard from a single page. So that's it. So this is how the purchase is closed, and this is how the sales is closed. And this is the IQPOS widget, which is specifically created for these kind of application where a retail business is there and you need to run a retail business and you need to take order directly from your shop floor, but you can't receive order in a form by typing every product actually. So there you need something extraordinary, and this is the extraordinary thing actually. You can directly scan the item, it will directly appear here. You can make the payment, accept the payment from UPI, and close the whole thing. So this is what the whole hackathon application has been actually. Hope you like this, and do reach out us and let us know your feedback. All the detail and the login about the POS will be shared in the email.